Remember, Winklink holder, to this is not a financial video. I just give you advice. Otherwise, if you want to research personally, then absolutely this is good for you. Kindly research personally without any time, without any take or any decision, my brother. So let's get started without any time waste with this brand video. But kindly, before I get started the video, I request you to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My friend, Winklink is completely fails down, especially in this month. This is not a time, my friends, to they moving upward. But absolutely, my friend, you can see the current time they also same like last months, my friend, last days, my friend, they fails down. 18.82% fails down. You can see this time Shibano, and the price is come to 0.005276 USD dollar. Exactly, this is very big dump, my friend, especially for all Winklink. This is very shock news, but definitely this is reality, my friends. But please relax, Winklink holder, my brother. I hope after this video you understand and you never lost. So let's see, my friend. This time you can see the market cap. First of all, I give you update, and after that we take a decision, my brother. This time you can see the market 18.80% fails down. Fully diluted market cap is also 18.84% fails down, and the volume of last 24 hours, so if you can see here, 29.34% fails down. So definitely after a very long time they fails down. Exactly, fails by fails, they fails down. So what we do, my friend, in this terrible condition, if they fails down like that, then what we do, my brother? Sell, hold, or buy. This is very hard decision to we undertake this, but definitely, my friend, after this video you also, this is very easy for all of you, my friend. Shibano, especially after a very big dump, they also take a very good jump. So my friend, I'm going to show you the live that, my friend. I tell you, my brother, to the selling time, holding time, buying time. Kindly for this data, my friends, you cannot take any decision, my brother, because this is very important for all of you. Let's, friends, live updates, the live data, friends, towards this date. So my friend, live data is win price live data. You can see here this time win price live data. Price 0.00527 USD dollar with the last 24-hour trading volume of 68 USD dollar. Winklink is down at 19.58% and the last 24 hours to the current coin market cap rank of 189 USD dollar. So my friend, it's make sure, my friends, to they are completely fails down. Completely they tell us to they are fails down. So remember to after a fails they take a jump. Everybody know this. Absolutely, I tell you every video, my brother. So if they fails down, so exactly the good time is soon, my friend. You can see here after a fails they take a jump. Exactly, my friend, in the circulation. So it's make sure, my friends, so the good time is soon. So you need to hold and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching, Winklink holder. Hope you understand something new. Please also share your opinion. My opinion is that to hold it and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching.